On July 10, 2024, Zimbabwean citizens took to Facebook to rally behind opposition leader advocate Nelson Chamisa. They poured their hearts out, urging him to stay hopeful and reminding him that change is not only possible, but imminent. The comments were filled with optimism, comparing Chamisa's journey to that of Hichilema in Zambia, a testament to the power of perseverance and resilience. Chamisa has faced countless hurdles, from political battles to legal skirmishes, yet he remains a beacon of hope for many Zimbabweans. His supporters believe that just like Hichilema, Chamisa's unwavering determination will lead him to victory. And when the people speak, their voices echo far and wide, lighting the path to a brighter future. So to all Zimbabweans out there, keep the faith. Change is on the horizon, and together we can make it happen. That's it for today. Share your comments down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and let's build the Zimbabwe we all dream of.